9 months one time, a long time ago, and like 9 months in 2020. 9 months in 2020, couple like 9 weeks.
First of all, we're in 2021. Hey, it's your girl Lynamartin here. If you're new here, thanks for coming. Subscribe, comment later. Oh, my hair, child. So I've been having a migraine. Today's Monday. I had a migraine from Friday, and so the girl had to do a COVID test. So I stayed home, and because I did a COVID test, my husband decided to stay home because he thought I had COVID. So we're home for like the next 3 days until I get my results, right, baby? Yeah. So today's day 1. Today, honestly, my head was really hurting me, so I literally slept the whole day. I'm more looking to get something to eat now. I think this will be a vlog. We'll see how it goes. Maybe you guys will never even seen this video, but I think we're gonna find something to eat. Oh, I just went to go do my COVID test at the hospital. It was very quick, I can say that. It was like 10 minutes. And like 3 of those minutes I was in the line, so it was a very quick. She just goes, picks it up. That's it. Huh? You buy a vaccine? Oh, would you like to be in the video? You just don't have a shirt on. Whoa, over there looks like a mess, child. Woo! Okay, I really need to find something to eat. Anyway, y'all, today's day 2. All I did was sleep today. Christopher, what'd you do today?
Stay home, sleep. House job.
House job?
House cleaning.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we didn't do nothing today. We're gonna do laundry. You guys can follow us to do laundry. Today was very laid down and did nothing. I got some maple dragon. If you don't know about maple dragon, like, you definitely don't live in Vaughan. Yeah, attempt to show you guys. Okay. Ooh, maple dragon. Oh. Do you have anything to say to the people? Maybe we should take down our Christmas tree since we're home. Christmas is coming again.
Yeah, Christmas is near.
It's 9 months away.
Yeah.
So how's that near?
Yeah.
9 months is how long a woman takes to create a child. I'm sure if you ask her if it's near, she's gonna tell you no.
9 months one time, a long time ago, and like 9 months in 2020. 9 months in 2020, couple like 9 weeks.
First of all, we're in 2021.
You're still 920s.
Okay, so 9 months now compared to 2018 is completely different.
Yeah. Every year it gets different. Christmas again.
So by the time you blink, it's gonna be Christmas.
Yeah.
So we shouldn't take down our tree.
No.
So what if you want to put different decorations?
Alright.
So we're supposed to stick with this tree for 1 whole year.
Right.
You guys see?
Yeah.
You guys see what I put up with?
Babe, come think of the time I run fast enough.
What fast? Ooh, you can't even see me here.
I can't believe Carter got jail before Chris Bond. But what they have me look at it just a while ago. Like 11 years.
I know it's been a long time, right?
Okay, I believe my son catch 11-year-old and I can't believe the Carter got jail before.
And doesn't it feel like he's been like there for like
Jamaica.
yeah. Every time I want to turn this way, but the lighting is so cruel to me. Woo, child. It's just, I asked for sauce. I didn't know they put on yours too. Look at these, look at my locks looking stale. Real stale. My husband just asked me if I dyed it. This, hold on, wait. This. Does he even respect me?
But they buy people come with that,
Huh?
but they buy a pickle pepper.
You don't like that?
Not hot.
I don't know, I was just trying a brand just to see. It was on sale and I was like, oh, let me see if it's spicy. But I realized that it's not.
Not hot. I keep some time before it started show.
I told you, there's no Reddington.
Baby, it has to be our next show. I mean, I want what I want.
Why?
No, you have too much sense.
So that's why you don't want to watch it.
Yeah, you have too much sense.
Anyways, folks, we're gonna find a channel, a TV show to watch or a movie or something while we eat our food. Later days. Okay, today is technically day 4 of our quarantine. Christopher went to work today. I stayed home because I felt like we didn't video yesterday because we weren't in the mood to video yesterday. So today is Thursday, tomorrow is Good Friday, so we're currently frying some fish. I'm gonna show you guys everything in a second so you guys can see the little fish, the water, and the popper. So I guess this is gonna be like a little vloggy vlog because I don't know, we're just gonna put everything together and y'all gonna watch. Okay. They didn't catch that. Okay, what do we have here, sir?
Oh, that's frying fish, babe. Frying fish, fried fish. What do you call it?
There's the fish.
Red snapper.
Yeah. So there's some little finished ones. So kind of come with one Japanese earlier.
That's right.
Here's my bun. Here's my cheese. Here's my nails I did for my birthday. You know, Escovitsh style, so carrots, peppers, onions, hot peppers from JA. They're gonna laugh at you?
You.
Why?
Escovitsh fish is more than fry. I make gravy for that.
No.
This is fried fish, baby.
Escovitsh is when you put onions and carrots on anything.
Oh.
You didn't know that?
No.
Yeah, that's what Escovitsh is.
There's nothing like fish.
Oh, okay. They're gonna laugh at me.
I just knew to make fish.
Look at that face.
What fish?
Your face.
Somebody just knew to make fish.
I said, me show them how you struggle to cut the carrot, yeah.
They can't cut carrot better than carrot. They nasty one and seeds.
But we got it. Let's get a good look at these fish, though. They look a little extra fried, I'm just saying. They're crispy. We'll get back to you guys in a moment. So this is our carrots, sweet peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, pimento. What else in this, babe? Vinegar, little chips of water. So I'm gonna put this on the fish. Yeah, I started eating one, allow me. And then I'm gonna put some away for later. So yeah, all right, this is our finishing plate. Allow the one that I started eating. There it is. And then, ooh, this is warm, child. And then I made this to put in the fridge to keep it and have it. So there it is, y'all. Happy Easter. Enjoy Easter.